In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to become Xero certified. Getting certified in Xero is useful if you're working in accounting, bookkeeping, or financial management because it helps validate your skills and can open up new career opportunities. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, click on the login button and sign in using your Xero email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can select Try Xero for free to create one. After you've logged in, open a new browser tab and navigate to central.xero.com. This is Xero Central, where you can find community resources, guides, and learning materials. At the top of the page, look for the Learning option and click on it. You'll now be taken to the Xero Learning page, where you can find different courses, recommendations, and upcoming webinars. Scroll through the page and look for the Xero certification section. Under this section, click on Get Certified. You'll be taken to your certification dashboard where you can track your progress and view any certifications you've already earned. Scroll down to see the available courses. Keep in mind that some courses may require you to complete prerequisite courses before they become available. You can also see which courses offer badges when completed. These badges can help show your progress and achievements. If you want to view more courses, click on Show More. This will expand the list and may also display a link called Our Certification Process. Click on this link to learn more about how the Xero certification process works from start to finish. You can also scroll down to the Frequently Asked Questions section to find answers to common questions about certification, including timelines, exam formats, and renewal requirements. And that's it. You now know how to navigate the Xero certification process and find the courses and resources you need to become Xero certified. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.